Hi guys, hi beautiful sunflowers. I must look there. Igama lam ikhona the sunflower, a graduate, NQF8. Period. If you're coming across me for the first time, I hope you like what you see and you decide to subscribe. If you come across me for the nth time and you still haven't subscribed, I hope this time around I do impress you and you decide to subscribe. If you're coming back to give your girl more support, you know I appreciate you. Please feel at home. That's your very first video after you've subscribed. Now it's on, I feel at home. You've seen by the title of the video. Room tour, apartment tour. It is an apartment, whatever. Before I get to it, I just want to say, please subscribe. Honestly, I just am trying to get to my 2K subscribers. That's all that I'm trying to do. So please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Like, comment, share. But honestly, I don't have much to say. Please like, please comment, please share, please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my subscription this year. I'm trying to be in my YouTube era, like for real, down bad to 100, bruh. I'm trying to grow. I need to pay rent also, and besides, I'm on contract with the work that I got in Joburg, so I wanna grow while I'm while I'm working. Then after, then I can be dependent on YouTube for the time being. So please subscribe. I would really appreciate it.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
I try to move back as much as I can and zoom out as much as I can. That's the kitchen area. That's it. There's nothing more to it. It has this table thing, you see? You can like put it down like that, or you can hook it up. Okay, it's hidden, but this thing is always on the wall, and then you can unhook it down for it to become a table. So I guess they're trying to give you space here. So that's the side, and that's the, I don't know if I will call it second-hand bed, but it doesn't look second-hand. It looked third or fourth or fifth, but I'm grateful I have a bed, bro. Okay, so then we have this beautiful lighting. Love that for me. And then we have this area right here, which is going to be, I guess that's the site I'm going to put my bed. It's just that I don't know how to set up as yet. I haven't thought of it. This is me moving back. You see? Then we have this right here, which is a wardrobe, but it's very tiny for me. We know Mimos. We all know that, right? So I'm going to organize lights for it because it's dark in there, and I'm gonna need light for it and lights. But that's when I get paid, bro. I'm broke. I don't have money. Anyways, and then that's the side. I guess I can have a shoe rack right here because I really need my caps, my bags. I don't know. Anyways, that's that. There, and then you have your bathroom. It's pretty. Lighting is not bad, and it's big enough, ne? I don't like I don't know, man. And then the shower itself is also big. It really isn't bad. Honestly, it isn't. Then there's a mirror, but the thing is, you see, the light is from above, just like now. There isn't light directed at me, so we need that. That's that. And then you get out, you go straight. This is a bachelor, so obviously there isn't any division, and that's the door. So I'm guessing that's basically it. There isn't really anything I can show you. So if you're standing there, that's what you see. That's the outside. Honestly, the lighting. I don't know what else to show. Then I'm gonna put my suitcases there. I guess that's about it. But I really love the lighting. And then you have buildings outside. Honestly, there isn't much. It really just looks like Belleville, if you get what I mean. If okay, yeah, people that are in Cape Town, you are in Belleville, then there's down Cape Town where you want to go to malls type of thing. I don't know if you get me. Yeah, that's that. Yeah, man, this is me right now. Those are my suitcases, and yeah, I just uploaded my vlog, and that's about it. That's me. Of course, you can like open the windows. It's just that, yeah. So what do I want to say? I want to say that I'm grateful to you guys for watching. I'm grateful to those that have subscribed already. Those that from day one, the ones that are going to subscribe through this vlog, this video. I'm grateful literally for I feel like I can't even express it enough. But I really am grateful. I really am grateful that I got the contract as well for the experience and just everything and not many people get such blessings. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, since this is going to be a very short clip of me introducing the vlog and showing you guys the bachelor apartment, my rent is, I don't know, it's not more than 4,000. It's less than 4,000. But yeah, that I'm sure of. I don't know how much it is. I swear. I'm gonna tell you guys in another video when I find out. Number one. Number two, electricity is prepaid. In literally all the places that I want apartment heat hunting, electricity is prepaid. So I guess everywhere at this point. Number three, you pay water is dependent on how much you use the water. So that means that if this month I use a lot of water, there's going to be an increase in my rent. Not like drastic, but and if I have less, if like maybe I have someone in Sholanai for like a week on like rent type of thing. Do you get what I mean? So I think that's that, honestly. I would have loved to do apartment hunting with you guys, but yay, it went up and down. It's so hard, and you're also heartbroken that you didn't get the apartment that you want. It's a pendulous in your apartment inviting you, like you're accepted, inviting you for viewing, but the one that you're waiting for, you can't find. Like they're not replying. So kuningi would buy one. So there's no way I could have been able to do like apartment hunting with you guys. What I was mainly looking for is affordability. My budget was, I don't want to go above 4,000. Yeah, but there was this one place that I wanted, bro. There it is going. I'm looking at it right now. I wanted that place, right? Perfect. I would have allowed myself to stretch a bit to even 4 point something, but not more than 4.5. So I would have loved the apartment, but God said, and I was like, if you say so, it's cool. Anyway, so I'm here. Second thing that I wanted is lighting. The first thing probably. Anyways, I'm rambling now, but that's just that about apartment. I have it. It's the 30th of April today. I'm supposed to be going at work tomorrow as per my contract, but it's holiday, so day off. Period. I'm gonna go at work Thursday, the 2nd of May. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change and go pick up a few things from a shopping center near me. I do not know where. I'm just gonna Uber and ride, because I also need to go to Capitec. It's around 3 now, or almost 3. I need to go to Capitec for the bank thingy for salary pay. So I need that as well. I think that's the main thing that I need. And then I need a brush to scrub. They cleaned, right? But I wanna re-scrub the shower. If there's anything that I need by making where I stay, it's a shower. So I need to, like, especially on the floor of the shower, if there's such a thing, I need to clean that. So yeah, I'm gonna go with you guys.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread.
That's all that I got.
Forgive us our trespasses.
That is all that I got. kettle, an iron, bread, deformed bread at this point. These small, they come in a pack of 3, you know. Kitchen swabs, 2. These are small ones. Cooking oil, beans. I had took like a promise upon myself that I'm never ever going to cook beans when I come here because I'm over them. But I don't have a fridge, so I'm forced. I do not have a choice. So beans, washing liquid, peanut butter, a knife, Vaseline. I cannot live without this. Look, most people when they move into their apartments, right, they buy fast food, right, to, you know, just not cook and celebrate. But I was graduating how many days ago? 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 5 days ago, 4 days ago, whatever. I do not have money. I wasted it then. I do not regret it, by the way. I loved every bit of it. So I cannot afford, because I don't want to run short of money during the month. So the last money that I have, it was last me till I get paid. So cheers, I got myself a Coke instead as a reward. I deserve it, by the way. Coke. This is a cup. I don't know. This is a bowl. Two of these. Oh, and how many spoons? 6 spoons. My favorite and memories at the same time, but like it's still my favorite. Like it's not because of the memories, but it's my favorite. A very beautiful memory, best one at that. I am lactose intolerant. These things, they give me a hard time, but I love them. So these ones. I got this porridge because this one is easier to make if you do not have a microwave. You just need hot water. Understand? I do not have a microwave. I got oranges. There were bigger ones there, but I was afraid they're not nice, so I got these ones. These aren't oranges, aren't they? They are. See, I'm confused. These aren't oranges and they are not nanchis as well. They are mandarins. Or is mandarin a brand? I do not know, but I got these things. I am a tea babe, Kenaki. Rice. I'm not a huge fan of Doritos, but I just felt like banana, lemons. I love my tea sour, bro. I love me a lemon. I love me lemon stuff. If you buy me sweets and there's like a sour flavor, get me that. Anything sour, love it. I got pears. See? Focus, focus, focus. It doesn't want to focus. It might not even last me a month. I mean, I drink tea. When I say I'm a tea babe, guys, yeah, that is all. That's all that I got, ne? Listen. So, Lana, ne? Literally, No, but 3 streets down there is a shopping center, ShopRite, Capitec Bank, like a branch. And wait, it's a sufficient shopping center. I think there's a Clicks as well, McDonald's, Nje Honcho's. Your girl, ne? I needed to go there yesterday and today. You can walk ever, but because I am scared, I'd rather pay 30 rands to go there, bro. I can see when I'm here. I'm just scared, and I'm not gonna take the chance. Yeah, boy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you. I hurt myself. Look at that. It's gonna focus on my face now. Do you see that? Yeah, that's like internal bleeding. I hurt myself when I was opening the table, that one. Yeah, it hurt at that time. It still hurts now. Anyways, thank you for watching, bro. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, humbly, may you please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, 10K subscribers by the end of the year. So may you please subscribe, please share, and thank you for the support. Thank you for the congratulations. Thank you for everything. I truly and honestly appreciate you. Please watch the ads. Do not skip the ads. Please watch the ads. I'd really appreciate that. From me, Ikhona Sunflower, to you, beautiful sunflowers. Bye guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe. No, wait. I do not want to close off this vlog. And also say what? That literally my tripod for this camera is there, but I'm lazy to open another suitcase because it's like this already. It's there. I don't want to close this vlog without saying this. It would make sense that I popped this for the apartment because Leonela had gotten me the other one that you saw on the graduation vlog, which popped itself. That one was for graduation. I should pop this, ne? But I won't because I would not drink it, so it would be a waste. So I'd rather, I don't know, I'll pop it at some point and I'll show you guys. But anyways, thank you guys. I just wanted to show you that. Also,